Hello viewers, this time we will learn how to send an email to one email ID to another email ID. This is my phone in which I am having multiple accounts. You can make accounts by Google. Means if you make an account in Google, automatically your Google Gmail account will be made. So I will show here how to send a mail from one mail ID to another mail ID. First I have to open the app. You can find this Gmail app in your phone. Okay, just open it. It will be open as I have made the my mail, so all the mails you can see it is here. Okay, so I have to send this mail, means one mail to another mail. Here is a plus sign, you click on it. Here from you can see in from my mail ID is there, abhishek.18mc@cambridge.edu.in. okay, this is my mail ID. Okay, I have created one Google account. In that Google account this mail ID is given by Google to me. Okay, there is an option to select a email ID, whatever any random name you can select. So we will write to through which email ID you want to send the mail. I will write one email ID. That email ID of mine, this email ID is mine. Okay, and if you want to send many people, you can add here some more names by typing some more email IDs here. You can send many mails at a time. Okay, now next column is of subject. I will write greetings. Okay, I will write on the text part, hello, how are you. Okay, this is the mail. If you want to add some pictures, some audio, some any part of file, you can see here attachment symbol is there. You can click it, attach file or insert from drive from means you from Google Drive you want to add something. If I want to attach file, okay, it will open my gallery. I select one picture, see how are you and picture selected, and I will just, this is the symbol of sending. Okay, just send it. And here the length you can see here, you can type anything, any letter, no restriction is there. Okay, just click on send. It's the message came send. You can check it from the, if the message is still sending, it will be in the outbox. If it already sent, it will come into the folder sent. You can see greetings, this I have sent. The time you can match 8:55. okay, the same picture and same text is there. Now I'm having that email ID in my phone. Okay, the same email ID where I have sent it. See, you can see this email I have typed here, that mail came, greetings, when that person sent to, from where it came, and to this same picture, and that came here. So by this you can send any mail from one mail ID to another mail ID. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.